Hey guys, Tepcocyclerepair. So today I'm going to show you how long it takes to take an S-VCM off of your Honda Ridgeline or whatever these Honda models here. This is a 2017 Honda Ridgeline. This is my personal one. Let's take it off. Okay, so you might be asking why I'm taking it off. I'm not taking it off because anything's wrong with it, but I need to do an air fuel test on the injectors because of the technical service bulletin about them and the P0430 light. And in order to do that, you have to have the engine warmed up, and it bases it on the gauge. So if I try to do it with the monitor on there, with the S-VCM on there, it'll think that the car's not warmed up all the way. So it won't let me do it. So I have to take it off so that the vehicle can get up to temperature based on the gauge so that I can do the air fuel test on it. So that's why I'm taking it off. I'm going to put it right back on when that's done. And this is not a how-to. It's just how long is it going to take for you to take it off if you want to take it off and put it back on. Or how long it would take for you to install it if you got it. I'm going to use two tools. I'm going to use a long stalk like this and a T-handle 10mm, and that's all you need. You got one hook up to your battery and then your inline plug you got to take out. That's where this comes in, all right? So this is fully timed. The car's locked right now. So let's see how long it takes, right? We're at 30 seconds. Let's go. Sorry, the phone fell. I paused. Got the zip tie in there. Hang on. Okay, it's out. All right, we're at 250 right now, and the phone fell and I forgot my clips and the whole thing is out. Okay, that's all it takes. It's super simple. Get one of these. All right guys, so this stalk right here is really what makes it easy. You don't want to squeeze it hard. You just need it to squeeze the tab a little bit so you can pull it up. And then the other one, you just got to kind of position it right so you can get it down on there, get it onto the plug and push it down. It's really simple. Without this, it's kind of tighter to get your hand and stuff in there. You know, whatever. Get one of these things, just what you need. You'll use it for a lot of different things after you get it. And I had a zip tie on there because the instructions say to zip tie it so it doesn't like bounce off anything. And I used the cutter right here, so. That's it. I told people I can get it off in less than 2 minutes. The phone fell, but I think we're still in the maybe 2 minutes and 10 seconds. All right, with the hood and everything back on, ready to go. Anyway, guys, Tepcocyclerepair. See you on the next one.